How's it going, big guy? Hey, little buddy. Come on. Through the tunnel. He loves the beach. Here we go, bud. We're going down the beach to Washburn. And then we're going to have a little snack there and then go up the forest trail back to the Hobbit Trail parking. What you doing? No cars up the trailhead, so I think we have the beach to ourselves. Somebody down there. Nobody over there. Tide's coming in. Got lots of good wet sand to play on and no big sneaker waves right now. The ocean's pretty smooth. What you say, bud? Ready? Walking on the beach, whoop, whoop, whoop. Walking on the beach, whoop, whoop, whoop. Walking on the beach, whoop, whoop, whoop. There we are, walking on the beach, whoop, whoop, whoop. He slowed down a little. Yeah, just over a mile of running craziness, and he has gone into walk-hike mode, which is good. What do you say? We took our little break at Washburn, had a snack, had some liver treats. This is the pay station. We'll be back to camp soon. But we are heading for the forest and the China Lake Loop, right? Uhtred, you ready to go for a hike now? He has zero patience whatsoever, continuing to display urgency barking, where if he's ready to go and you aren't, it's bark, 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 bark. And here we go onto the forest trail. Let's head for the China Creek Loop, okay, buddy? And there's going to be bridges and benches. If you've never hiked with a Labrador, they have a lot of energy, and they will pull on the uphill. He may only be 4.5 months old, but he's already got the zoom on the downhill and pull on the uphill. And it can be a real treat backpacking with a full-grown Labrador, because gaining elevation on a trail can be a lot easier. And if they start to get tired, they'll just ease back. The only important thing is not to let them tear up their paws. So you don't want them pulling harder and scraping their paws. You got to watch that. But other than that, if you feed them, and they love little trout. Get them enough food. Oh, bench. He loves benches. Kibbles at the bench. Good boy. Let's go. On our favorite bench, right, buddy? Hey, Uhtred. How are you? You ready to go? Okay, let's go hit the China Creek loop. Come on, bud. Here, boy. Go, go, go. We're going across the bridge. Ready? Here, boy. Yes. Another bench. He loves his benches. As far as he's concerned, a log is a bench, so every log is an opportunity to hop up. All right, China Creek loop. Come on, bud. Up, down. This is a good workout. Look at this. We got to up, up, up. And I'm not holding the leash, so you can go. Come on, bud. Last bridge. Nice and dry, not slippery. Now we got a bit of an uphill, dude, to get to the parking area. Not a bench. Hi, how are you? You want to sit? Uhtred. Yes.
To visit me, for if so,
hey,
you've
buddy.
gone past my gate without my seeing. Answered Pippin. To tell you the truth, since you have guessed it, we got into the lane from the other